Hello everyone, I'm Indrajeet and I'm making this video for class 6th or maybe for 7 and maybe for class 9th students because my topic is very general and my topic is Excel. Means here we will discuss some basic features and basic tools of Excel. What we can do in Excel, what types of tools are there, what we do on them. So Excel is very important. We cannot imagine our life without Excel if you are just beginner. Actually Excel, if you talk about Excel, it's a database. It's but flat database. There is no table, but there is a everything is on a row and columns. And when rows and column intersect, we call them cell. And every cell has a unique address we call cell address. Cell address is made of rows and column. First letter is column. Column means horizontal and rows are vertical. So first letter is just like A, we call that row number, and A10, 10 means this means vertical number A10. Where A10 meets, we call them A10 is a cell address. So here the few tools are here, like very important tools, name box and formula bar. Here we will discuss what we can do in the name box. When you click anywhere in the Excel, name box tells the address of that particular cell, and the formula bar, here you can write, you can edit the cell content. Cell means apart from this you have so many options. Suppose you write your name like Jeet in any cell and you want to edit it, you can double click on it. Apart from this you can press F2 key, so you will get cursor over there and you can type whatever you want. Apart from this, third way is that go click on that cell and go in a formula bar, you will get that exact content in formula bar and you can edit it. But most of the use is that we use formula bar for changing in formula. Excel gives us so many varieties, so many features. Here's a features that you can use your or formula and you can use predefined formulas. We predefined formulas, we call them functions. Maybe in class 6 you will study. Here there are simple functions are addition, subtraction, product, product, division, and maximum, minimum, count. These are the function. Even you can find the square root of any number. It is up to you and you have to learn, you have to improve yourself. So these functions are very important and you have to learn. So in this video you will understand which type of features we are using. Suppose I have seen in my class labs when students come and they do only one thing. They come and they start typing and they start formatting. You don't have to repeat this mistake. Means first come, you have to sit, make table. Don't try to format because formatting is the last step. People come and they write two lines and they write few names and they start formatting. You don't have to format everything at the very beginning. Until we say first come, make table, increase row height, increase column height, increase select your font, then format. After completing everything, last step is formatting. So please save your time, because when you come in lab you get only half an hour or 35 minutes and 40 minutes. So you have to save your time, you have to become smart. So apart from this, you have to open your book. When people come, they see or they write only, they see their friends, they start typing their friend's name, mother name, father name, or phone number. They waste their time, they do not focus what teachers are telling them to do, what is the objective of your class. So be careful when you come in your lab, listen to your teachers and do what is important in your lab and do page wise. So now here you have to learn formatting for row height, how will you change row height, column height, column width, and background change, how will you put image, how will you put chart, how will you insert different types of chart formatting. Chart formatting is a big topic you will learn. So in this video you will get such small topics and you have to learn. These topics will help you to improve yourself. So please watch this video till end and try to subscribe this channel also. So please, thank you and enjoy this video.
Okay, let us now find out how to change cell contents. The characters and numbers typed in a worksheet can be seen both in a cell as well as on the formula bar. Enter the contents and press either the Enter key or the Enter button on the formula bar to accept the entry. When you type in the new data in the cell, the two buttons Cancel and Enter present on the left of the formula bar become active. Alright, now let us find out how to replace cell contents. You can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. Open a new worksheet and type in the data as shown in the figure. Select the cell, let us say D6, whose content has to be changed. Now type 65 in that cell and press the Enter key. Note that the previous value 56 is replaced with 65. Now let's find out how to use Edit mode. Select the cell D6, double-click on the cell. The insertion point will blink within the cell. Note that the Edit mode is indicated on the left side of the status bar. Position the pointer at the desired place and change the contents. Press the Enter key. The changes will be entered in the current cell. Notice the Edit mode indicator changes to Ready mode. We can also edit the cell contents in the following ways. Select the cell and then click on the formula bar. Move the pointer to the position where you want to insert characters. Now make the required modifications in the formula bar. Turn on the overtype mode by double-clicking the cell. When overtype mode is turned on, the cursor changes to a blinking bar and the character to the right of the blinking bar gets highlighted. Press the Insert key from the keyboard. Start typing in the cell. The existing characters will get placed with the new characters you typed in. Now we will learn how to insert cells, columns and rows. Let me first tell you how to insert blank cells. Select the range of cells where you want to insert the blank cells. You should select the same number of cells as you want to insert in the spreadsheet. Now right-click on the range and select the Insert option. Or select the Insert button in the Cells group on the Home tab. Click on the Insert Cells option from the drop-down list. In both the cases, you will get the Insert dialog box. There are 4 different options to choose within the dialog box as displayed in the figure. Select the desired option and click on OK. Let me now tell you how to insert a column or row. Select the column or cell to the left of which a new column is to be inserted. Here we have selected column E. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Insert button in the Cells group on the Home tab and choose the Insert Sheet Columns option. Excel inserts a blank column to the left of the column E and shifts the entries of column E to column F. Note that you can insert a row in the same way as you insert a column. Select the row or a cell above which a new row is to be inserted and choose Insert Sheet Rows from options of Insert drop-down menu. Now let me tell you how to delete cells, columns and rows. Let me first tell you how to delete cells. Select the range of cells to be deleted. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow of the Delete button and select the Delete Cells option. The Delete dialog box appears displaying 4 options. Choose appropriate option and observe the change. Let me now tell you how to delete columns or rows. Select the column to be deleted by clicking on its header. Click on the Delete drop-down menu in the Cells group on the Home tab and select the Delete Sheet Columns option. Or right-click on the header of the selected column and choose Delete option. Know that you can delete a row in the same way as you delete a column, that is, by clicking on the row header and choosing Delete Sheet Rows from the options of Delete drop-down button. Or right-click on the row header and choose the Delete option. Now let me tell you how to change row height and column width. Let's first tell you how to change the row height. Select the row. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Format button in the Cells group on the Home tab. Click on the Row Height option. The Row Height dialog box appears. Enter the desired value and click OK. The change will be reflected on the selected row. Now tell you how to change the column width. Select the column. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow of the Format button. From the displayed list of options, click on Column Width. The Column Width dialog box appears. Enter the desired value and click OK. Observe the change on the selected column. Now let us find out how to copy and move data. Let me tell you the steps involved in copying and pasting data. Select the cell or a range of cells you want to copy. Let us say B4 is to D4. Click on the Copy button in the Clipboard group. The dashed line will appear around the selected cells. Select the destination cell, let us say F6, and click on the Paste button in the Clipboard group. The text will be copied to the new location. If you want to paste the same data repeatedly, you need to click on the Paste button in the different cells. Let's now talk about moving data around. Let us learn how to use the drag and drop method. Select a cell or a range of cells. Position the mouse pointer at the edge of the selected cells. Notice that the pointer changes from a white cross symbol to a move pointer symbol, plus. Drag the selected cell or a range of cells to a new destination and release the mouse button. The data will be moved to a new location. Let me give you some interesting tips. We can also move the data by using shortcut menu. Right-click on the cell to open shortcut menu and select the Cut command. Now select the destination cell, right-click on it and choose Paste option. The shortcut key to perform cut, copy and paste operations are Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V respectively. You can also move the data by selecting the Cut and Paste button in the Clipboard group. Let me tell you how to use Autofill and Flash Fill feature. Let's first talk about Autofill. Type January in cell B1. Position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell. The mouse pointer changes into a black plus cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle up to cell B5. Release the button. The months February to May would appear in the cells B2 to B5. Now let us talk about Flash Fill. Make two columns, names and initials in Excel sheet. Fill the data in names column and given in the figure. The initials column should have data that is combination of the first characters of first name and the last name, example RK for Ravi Kumar. Type RK in the initials column and press Enter key. Click on the Fill drop-down arrow present on the Home tab in the Editing group and select the Flash Fill option. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+E. The initials of rest of entries will be automatically added in the remaining cells of the initials column.